strategy using put options. Now the thing is, a long butterfly strategy can be implemented either by calls or puts. The payoff will be exactly same. Now the reason behind this is that we can create simple strategies using synthetic options. We've already discussed this earlier in our previous videos. So let's see how can we do this for a long butterfly strategy. So now when we create the butterfly strategy using a call options, the strategy which is involved is buying 1 in the money call, selling 2 at the money call options, and buy 1 out of the money call options, which are all equidistance. Now a long call synthetically can be created by buying a put option and buying a futures P plus and F plus. And a short call can be created by doing a P minus and an F minus, that is selling a put option and selling a futures. So we can write a C plus in the money is equal to buying a put option in the money and simultaneously buying a futures contract. A C plus out of the money can be again written as buying a put option out of the money and buying a futures contract, and 2C minus at the money, that is selling 2 calls at the money, can be written as 2P minus, that is selling 2 put options and selling 2 futures lot both at the money. So we see we are net 2 futures buy and simultaneously 2 futures sell, which gets cancelled. So what we finally get is we are actually buying 1 put option which is in the money, selling 2 at the money put options, and we buy 1 out of the money put options. And we need to make sure that all these put options belong to the same expiry and they should belong to the same underlying. So the strike prices again should be equidistant from each other, and the difference between in the money, out of the money, at the money should all be same. So we just saw how a butterfly strategy using calls and puts is exactly same. We'll look into an example to understand this better. So this strategy is involved by buying 1 put option in the money, buying 1 put option out of the money, and simultaneously selling 2 put options which is at the money. How do we get this? Now when we discussed call options in the previous video, we could see clearly that calls can be synthetically replaced by puts. So this strategy, we buy 1 put option at 10,200 by paying a premium of 48. We buy another put option which is out of the money 10,400 by paying a premium of 130, and simultaneously we sell 2 put options at the money 10,300 by receiving a premium of 80 rupees. So the net premium outflow would be 48 plus 130 minus 18 to 2, which gives us a 18 rupees total net premium outflow. Now what we could see is that below 10,200, if the spot price is on expiry, all the put options gets exercised and becomes in the money, as we can see different payoffs over here. So the total PL from this strategy would be the net premium on outflow, which is minus 18. At 10,218, the 10,200 put gets lapsed, so we lose 48 rupees premium. The 10,400 is exercised and 10,300 put is also exercised. So what we can see is we get a total PL of 0, which is our first break-even point of this strategy. At 10,300, the 10,200 put option is lapsed, 10,400 put option is exercised, and 10,300 put is also lapsed. So the total PL at this point of the strategy is profit of 82. This is a point where we get the maximum profit from this strategy. Above 10,400, all the put option gets lapsed, so we lose a fixed amount of the net premium paid, which is minus 18, a loss of 18. So we can see here the payoff diagram, it looks like a butterfly. Fixed loss below 10,200 and above 10,400, and we have the maximum profit if the market is range bound at 10,300. So we can sum up by saying that lower break even is lower strike price of a buy put plus the net premium paid, which is 10,218. The upper break even is higher strike price of buying a put minus the net premium paid, which is 10,382. The maximum loss is limited to the net premium paid, which is 18 rupees, and the maximum profit is limited, which is again calculated by the spread minus the net premium paid. So the spread is 100 rupees minus 18, which is 82 rupees. So with this, we come to the end of the butterfly strategy using put options. Thank you.